The latest Express Entry draw is again PNP. Today's draw analysis clearly points out how IRCC is doing everything to meet the PNP quota. Stay tuned till the end to find out more. Hey, that's us. I'm Kshitij and this is Sonali. We are just regular people who woke up one day and decided to move to Canada. We have been waiting in the Express Entry pool ever since. Because we are a bit nerdy, we analyze the Canadian immigration process and present it on our channel. This series is all about the Express Entry draws and their future in 2021. We will break down each draw and give you all the numbers and what they mean. Since we are already doing all the work, the only thing you need to do is subscribe to our channel and never miss an update on the latest draw. So let's get into it. Today we are going to talk about the draw number 208, that is a PNP draw. The cutoff score for this draw was 744 and it was conducted on the 27th of October 2021. It invited a total of 888 PNP candidates. Tie-breaking rule for this draw number 208 conducted on the 27th October is 7th of October. This is quite surprising as that means candidates who created their Express Entry profile just 20 days prior have gotten the ITA. If we look at the last draw, the tie-breaking rule of draw conducted on 13th October was 6 months ago, meaning 16th of March. That means the last candidate who got the invitation has created his Express Entry profile on 16th of March 2021. It took 6 months for IRCC to do all the processing of his profile, that is, he must have applied to the province, sent his documents, did all the process and finally got the letter of nomination from the province, uploaded it to his Express Entry profile and then got 600 points. For this draw, all of this was done in just 20 days, which implies IRCC is working full force to fill its PNP quotas. Let's see what's happening in the pool. You can see the pool data on your screens right now. The pool is ever increasing with 11k people between 460 and 470, 13k between 470 and 480, 5k between 480 and 490. The next question which pops up is, where do I stand in the pool even if the draws were to resume today? So as of now there are 36,000 people above 460, which means it would at least require 7 all program draws of 5k each, and on top of that very less people should add to the pool. There are 24,000 people above 470, so a total of 5 draws of 5k each would be required, and 11k people above 480, so a total of 3 draws would be required of 5k each. Now you can put in your CRS score and see how many people are above you and what chances you have whenever FSW resumes. If your CRS score is below 460, there is absolutely no chance of you getting a PR via FSW. So I didn't include scores less than 460 in my analysis. Draw trends for the last month shows complete PNP domination, with last CEC draw conducted on 15th of September more than a month ago. It's gaining PNPs and my guess is it will continue to do so till the end of this year. If you have a low CRS score or want to explore alternative pathways to immigration like PNP, do follow our Plan B PNP series. If you are an aspirant for Canadian immigration, the only thing you need to do is subscribe to our channel and never miss an update on Canadian immigration. Thanks for watching.